has become a good second, whilst the Andromeda cloud has become the Andromeda Galaxy for a totally prolonged stretch of time. Our interpretation of the Andromeda gadget has become restrained to ground-based totally observations. However, with advances in ERA and the advent of the James Webb Space Telescope, our records have expanded beyond degree. Currently, topics are converting due to the fact the James Webb Space Telescope has detected stressful indicators coming from the Andromeda Galaxy. These indicators have dispatched shock waves via the medical network, leaving astronomers each excited and curious. But what exactly do these indicators advise? Why are they causing the sort of stir amongst astronomers? Join us as we delve into the current developments. The James Webb Telescope recently detected troubling alerts from the Andromeda Galaxy. In advance, then, we might also want to peer most effective to date beyond our eyes into the universe. Astronomers depended on smooth methods to understand the broader cosmos. This final impact facts drastically hindered development in comprehending different galaxies and individual stars. However, the entirety modified at the same time as we positioned the Andromeda Galaxy. It served as our first clue to figuring out that the universe extends some distance past our imagination. Everything started out in the 17th century at the same time as Galileo Galilei's pioneering paintings with telescopes revealed the genuine nature of the Milky Way. He noticed that the Milky Way contained several stars, difficult the perception of its singularity. Everything changed again inside the 20s while Edwin Hubble found far-flung objects past the Milky Way. Using the telescope, Hubble found that these celestial devices had been separate galaxies, now not just a part of the Milky Way. The sort of galaxies was the Andromeda Galaxy or M31. At the same time as this became the first time we observed Andromeda through a telescope, Persian astronomer Abd al-Rahman al-Sufi had noted it as early because of the 10th century. Due to technological advancements within the 20th century, astronomers have to subsequently understand the center and shape of Andromeda. It's now not only a cloud but an in-depth galaxy of stars, just like our Milky Way. Our massive neighbor is prepared 2.5 million mild-years from the Milky Way. Since its discovery, our awareness on Andromeda has substantially superior. We've moved from ground-based totally observations to place observatories just like the Hubble and the James Webb Space Telescope. Every technological improvement has taken us similarly, assisting us understand the actual nature of the Andromeda Galaxy. We now have greater statistics and insights into its formation and development, making Andromeda a benchmark for analyzing the structure and evolution of galaxies. This has provided extra data approximately the wider workings of the universe. Researchers don't forget that to have a comprehensive data of our universe, we need to have a look at the connection between Andromeda and the Milky Way. That is specifically essential as the two galaxies are predicted to collide in about 4 billion years. While research and observations have superior, the James Webb Telescope has currently detected a troubling sign from Andromeda. This signal has crushed professionals, prompting questions about its beginning, area, and implications. The James Webb Telescope's high-resolution sensors have identified unusual interest inside Andromeda. The indicators sent return to specialists display outcomes that differ from previous observations, fascinating analysts global. The signal suggests cycles occurring inside the galaxy, possibly associated with its huge black hole or exceptional trendy occasions. Notably, the current-day discovery indicates that Andromeda's mass is probably drastically greater than previously thought, reshaping our statistics of the galaxies. The James Webb Telescope has also provided positive snapshots and spectra of Andromeda, revealing the formation of new stars and their chemical compositions. This new statistic is critical for knowledge galactic evolution. Additionally, the information from the telescope suggests multiplied interest in Andromeda's dynamic center, which has stimulated its surroundings and is predicted to form its future development. By means of investigating the gravitational effects on stars inside Andromeda, specialists benefit insights into the distribution of dark count number at some point of the galaxy. Hopefully, this could decorate our know-how of dark rely and its impact on the dynamics of galaxies. As topics stand, understanding dark R and its impact on the universe is one of the area's maximum large mysteries. Current findings by the James Webb Telescope have inspired new studies global as researchers discover Andromeda's secrets with more facts becoming available. We now know extra approximately the universe's past and destiny. So what have we discovered out approximately the Andromeda Galaxy via numerous studies? Andromeda has precise functions that distinguish it from other galaxies within the universe. Its sheer size commands interest, with estimates suggesting it spans around 22,000 light-years, making it one of the biggest galaxies in the nearby group. Appreciably larger than the Milky Way, this massive scale contributes to its mass, which includes about 1 trillion stars, surpassing our galaxy in mass. Researchers additionally discover the galaxy's shape captivating. Unlike a common spiral galaxy, Andromeda has an expanding middle and a dense nucleus surrounded by means of rings of dirt and fuel, imparting a fertile floor for megastar formation. Such capabilities mean a dynamic galaxy formed through continuous cycles affecting its various components. One area of unique interest is its middle, characterized through a dual nucleus indicating the presence of a massive black hollow, similar to but not same to the Milky Ways. This offers vast insights into the nature and activities of those large objects. The Andromeda Galaxy is likewise surrounded through a halo of stellar and planetary particles, consisting of stars, planetary structures, and globular clusters spanning heaps and thousands of miles-years in width. This significant halo tells a fascinating tale of the galaxy's formation and history. The 460 globular clusters in Andromeda also provide insights into the early levels of big-name formation, supplying a practical clarification of the movie star cluster's formation and early improvement. By exploring Andromeda's mystery, astronomers are one step towards knowledge the importance of dark R. However, one query stays. How do they cope with its puzzling nature and the role it performs in galactic dynamics? Andromeda boasts another precise characteristic: its satellite galaxies. Its outer shape includes over 20 smaller galaxies, some of which can be being stripped in their stars and gasoline via tidal interactions. This interaction illustrates the dynamic nature of galactic evolution and how galaxies have interaction with each one of a kind. So what does the future maintain for the Andromeda Galaxy? The shape and course of its evolution hold to intrigue astronomers and people looking to apprehend the universe. The possibility of its transition from a spiral to a ring galaxy is a precious subject matter in Andromeda's evolutionary timeline. Research shows it has experienced several interactions with distinctive galaxies in the path of its history. Ultimately, Andromeda's future relies upon its eventual collision with the Milky Way, expected to arise around 4 billion years from now. The end result of this type of collision may be the formation of a brand new galaxy from these big celestial bodies. Although the collision can be catastrophic, it is a natural part of galactic evolution. Due to the vast distances among stars, this collision will not be a surprising occasion. Alternatively, the two galaxies will step by step merge, forming new shapes and structures. The interplay of their gases and stars will spark new rounds of well-known person formation, leading to a remarkable show. Such a cosmic occasion will facilitate the formation of an unmarried unified galaxy. This form of collision is not uncommon because the universe has effects of such occasions. However, its proximity makes it a tremendous occasion for us to have a look at. The eventual collision of the large black holes at the facilities of the two galaxies will add another layer to this exquisite event. This shows the determined and critical nature of galactic evolution. The merger is anticipated to bring about the absorption of surrounding depend with the aid of the black holes, emitting a long-way-reaching radiation. This event gives important information about how galaxies evolve and how black holes affect this evolution. One vital query remains: what will take vicinity to our Sun system after this merger? A long way from complete destruction, the orbits of the planets in our solar gadget may be significantly altered. This indicates method functionality changes within the Earth's orbit or maybe its ejection from the new galaxy. To decide this very last outcomes, researchers can observe similar occasions and contextualize the destiny of our galaxy. It is vital to remember that a collision between stars is a rare event due to the complete sea's intergalactic distances. However, gravitational interactions should disrupt stars' strong orbits, causing some to, which include our Sun, to take new paths. Such modifications should considerably alter the climate inside the world, probably mean to each warming or cooling. These activities illustrate the grand information of galactic evolution. They are vital to place in context. The ensuing outcomes of the merger are some distance off, billions of years into the future, through which technology humanity may additionally have modified considerably. We might be dwelling in specific factors of the universe by then. Although the records received from analyzing the Andromeda Galaxy is important for understanding our personal galaxy's future, by evaluating the differences between Andromeda and the Milky Way, we are able to create more correct fashions for galactic dynamics and evolution. The reassessment of Andromeda's duration and mass is vital because it straightaway informs our expertise of the Milky Way and its form. This has challenged our essential thoughts approximately Andromeda and highlighted the need to re-examine its importance in our extensive universe. Recent findings advocate that each the Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies are comparable in size, in preference to Andromeda being drastically huge. This contradicts our understanding of the Milky Way's characteristic in the local institution of galaxies and how an entire lot gravitational effect this kind of galaxy exerts. While the Milky Way presently appears as a B-spiral galaxy, its shape may also exchange due to its interaction with Andromeda. Andromeda's evolution permits in profiling the factors in the back of massive galactic changes. Through watching Andromeda's cutting-edge country and analyzing the behavior of the subsequent collision with the Milky Way, we're capable of looking at an awful lot about the feasible adjustments in big-name formation prices, the movement of fuel, and the dynamics inside the galaxies. This is made possible by way of technological improvements in space science that have significantly modified the scope of our cosmic studies. Every assignment has turned out to be extra vital than the previous one. The adventure began with the development of the telescope within the mid-17th century, leading astronomers to have a look at the moons orbiting Jupiter and the levels of Venus. Over the years, telescopes have become more and more state-of-the-art. The late 19th and early 20th centuries saw the improvement of larger and extra-effective telescopes, making the universe extra available as astronomers found new celestial bodies like Neptune. But ground-based totally telescopes faced barriers along with atmospheric and slight pollution, which hindered their potential to provide clean insights into the universe. The arrival of the Hubble Area Telescope in 1990 marked a big soar beforehand in area exploration. Hubble allowed us to appearance the universe from a position beyond Earth's atmospheric interference, offering greater clarity. An element Hubble contributed substantially to our understanding of black holes, the universe's age, and unique celestial phenomena. These days, the James Webb Space Telescope continues the legacy, presenting unheard-of insights into galaxies like Andromeda. With each technological development, we benefit a deeper facts of the cosmos, making every mission extra crucial than the remaining. The James Webb Space Telescope's current discoveries approximately Andromeda have opened new avenues of studies, pushing the limits of our understanding and helping us put together for the future of our galaxy and the universe at big. The discoveries made with the resource of the James Webb Space Telescope aren't simply restricted to the Andromeda Galaxy but increase our know-how of the universe at massive. The enhancements in vicinity telescopes have allowed us to have a look at remote galaxies, observe their composition, and benefit insights into the early universe. Every assignment builds on the final, pushing the limits of what we know, understanding cosmic evolution by studying galaxies like Andromeda. We will better understand the tactics that shape galaxies through the years. The interplay the various Milky Way and Andromeda gives a glimpse into the future of our personal galaxy. As those galaxies merge, they may go through huge differences, so one can have an effect on everything within them, along with big-name formation charges, the conduct of fuel, and the dynamics of their central black holes. The collision and eventual merger of the Milky Way and Andromeda may have profound effects on the structure and conduct of our galaxy. This event will trigger new famous person formation, regulate the orbits of stars, and probably lead to the formation of a new large galaxy. This form of collision is not uncommon because the universe has a records of such activities. However, its proximity makes it a significant occasion for us to have a look at. The eventual collision of the big black holes on the centers of the two galaxies will add another layer to this notable occasion. This indicates the observed and crucial nature of galactic evolution. The merger is anticipated to result in the absorption of surrounding depend by the black holes, emitting an extended way accomplishing radiation. This occasion gives vital information approximately how galaxies evolve and how black holes affect this evolution. One vital query remains: what is going to take vicinity to our solar device after this merger? A long way from complete destruction, the orbits of the planets in our solar gadget may be significantly altered. This indicates method functionality changes within the Earth's orbit or maybe its ejection from the new galaxy. To decide this very last outcome, researchers can observe similar occasions and contextualize the destiny of our galaxy. It is vital to remember that a collision between stars is a rare event due to the complete sea's intergalactic distances. However, gravitational interactions should disrupt stars' strong orbits, causing some to, which include our Sun, to take new paths. Such modifications should considerably alter the climate inside the world, probably main to each warming or cooling. These activities illustrate the grand information of galactic evolution. They are vital to place in context the ensuing outcomes of the merger are some distance off billions of years into the future, through which technology humanity may additionally have modified considerably. We might be dwelling in specific factors of the universe by then. Although the records received from analyzing the Andromeda Galaxy is important for understanding our personal galaxy's future, by evaluating the differences between Andromeda and the Milky Way, we are able to create more correct fashions for galactic dynamics and evolution.